Hello everyone. Today we're going to do navy bean soup. This is a little different from the southern style way of cooking beans. It's a really simple, easy, one-pot way of cooking these beans. Okay. I've already soaked the navy beans overnight, and you can follow the package directions to assist you if you've never done beans before. 16 ounces or a pound of navy beans, just one small package. And now I'm adding all my ingredients. And you'll see that coming up. It tells you all that's in here. Now I tell you from where I'm standing, it's not even cooking and it smells so good. Again, this is a low-cost meal. You can, if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you can actually adapt this. Instead of using chicken broth, you can use a vegetable broth. You can omit the meat, of course. And if you can see, I've diced up everything nice and small because I want bite-sized pieces. But if you like a heartier cut of vegetable, then it's fine. Then to our pot, we're going to add everything that you see on this board here. We have 2 large carrots, 1 large onion, 2 celery stalks, 3 cloves of minced garlic. We also have a bay leaf, and this is just optional. You can chop up some ham. If you don't have ham, you can use a nice smoked sausage or your favorite sausage. Maybe if you like it a little spicy sausage will do as well. I'm going to add a 32-ounce or 2-pound container of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, water is fine. You'll just have to season it a little bit more because your chicken broth already has salt unless you go for a saltless. This, and I did not know when I got it, is reduced sodium. I had no clue, but that's fine. Roll up these sleeves. It's a little warm in here. I'm going to add some pepper. I'm using cracked, but it doesn't make a difference what type of pepper. Black pepper, white pepper, fine powdered. I'm going to be nice because other people will be eating this because, as you know, I love black pepper. And I'm also going to go a little easy on my cayenne because I'm the only spice queen in here. I don't know what type of bouillon. You do not have to use bouillon. I'm using a chicken bouillon cube. If you use that, then that's perfect. It doesn't have to be cubed. If you have the liquid form, you may use that. You can omit, if you don't have it, just use regular salt. And this is just a little tip for you. In any of your dishes that you use any kind of broth, instead of salt, you can use this as a replacement for salt. It gives just a little bit more depth of flavor. I'm just going to use a half right now. The ham that I put in it is really not that salty, but I'm going to want to taste it as it's cooking. Only bad thing is that I'm putting my hands on it, so it's a little messy. And good people, I am out of time. I would say use a quarter to a half of time, but I am out of my dried time. So I'm just going to use a little sprinkling of this here, Herbs de Provence. It's got a little lavender, rosemary, and thyme already in it. So I'm just going to just use just a little sprinkling. If you want an amount, probably about a quarter of a teaspoon. I'm just going to stir it lightly. Let's see here. I think I'm just going to add just a little bit more water to this, or add some water, because I want my beans that is covered, but I want it to be maybe about an inch over. I think that was about a cup and a half. All right, so now as you see, it's swimming. Let's see if I can get you closer in. That's the gas ignition, just to let you know. I so prefer gas over electric, but I've been in homes where there's electric only. I do not do well on all electric because all my life I've had gas ranges. So I'm just going to make sure everything is stirred up, mixed really well. And we're going to cover. I'm going to check this in 30 minutes. It's probably going to take about an hour to cook. But I'll check this in roughly 30 minutes. Remember, cover it up. And I'm just checking up on these beans here. It just still looks nice and bright and beautiful. Now, once everything is finished, you take that bay leaf out. You do not want to eat that. That is sharp. And we still have a ways to go. I think I'll turn up the heat just a little, just to get into a harder simmer. Okay. Sorry for that noise. I find chicken to go with these beans here. Oh yeah. Well, that's nice. These are done, so I'm going to take out this here. I added 2 tablespoons of butter. It is completely optional. Makes it a little bit creamier, like richer tasting. Again, it is optional. I'm also going to get a blender and blend this up just a little. You have